That's what's coming in today's School Zone, where we come to you not from a school but a church for the graduation exercise for some students, all girls, who are now flourishing. Learn more in the program. Plus, what's in the news?
Students across the island observe Read Across Jamaica Day.
All that and much more after this message.
We have a subculture that supports those who do not inform, an anti-informer culture that pervades our entire society that we must break down.
Low self-esteem, body issues, bullying, peer pressure. Some of the many issues that confront our young girls daily. How do they deal with these? How do they cope? Well, one initiative has taken on the challenge and to date has engaged female students ages 12 to 14 years old who reside in the Red Hills area of Kingston, bringing them hope while encouraging them to flourish.
I started Flourish mainly because of what I see around me every day, both on the road and on social media, just seeing the kind of posts that young girls put up, the pictures, just seeing that, I guess they just don't care and they don't have love for themselves or respect themselves, and it's something that has bothered me. And I just thought, you know what, maybe if they had somebody to talk to them, somebody to help guide them, maybe it would make a difference. Maybe it would show them that you don't have to be that way. You are more than your body. You are valuable and you can accomplish a whole lot in your life if you put your mind to it.
Recently, School Zone stopped by the graduation exercise for the latest set of blossoms who had all been engaged in a 3-month growing exercise.
Auntie Fiona, who is our Flourish coordinator, had gotten several guest speakers who had taught us some valuable information and, of course, some interesting speeches.
The Flourish Mentorship Program had done a lot for us young ladies, like teaching us our value toward life, and letting us know that greatness exists in all of us.
Well-known transformational principal of the Padmore Primary School, KEISHA HAYLE, was one of the guest speakers imparting that message of greatness.
You may have grown without no parents. You may have grown very poor, like myself. But let nobody tell you that, well, because you maybe your parents don't have any money to send it to university or whatever. Everything you go through in life, every struggle, say every struggle. Every struggle is a lesson. And it's a lesson on your road to greatness. Look at each other now. Say, find your greatness.
Find your greatness.
Bold, empowered, strong, and victorious are now the words these girls are singing.
Don't waste your time with thoughts of giving up. It's all in your mind. Let it go, let it go. I'm here to remind you that everything's possible.
In Flourish, I learned how to be more respectful and to be more confident in myself.
I plan to flourish by impacting other students and other kids about the good things that I have learned in Flourish, yes, and I'm going to make my mommy proud.
I am beautiful inside and out. I am precious and special. I have a unique combination of skills and talents. There is no one quite like me. I am full of potential. I was born to succeed. When people look at me, they say, wow. Why? Because I am a woman of worth. And just like a beautiful flower, God created me to flourish.
Welcome to In the Zone News. I am Roziska Gibbon. Recently,
Day, students from schools across the island observed Read Across Jamaica Day. The Education Minister, Ruel Reid, went to the Chelolah Park Primary School in Kingston.
Miss Jones at school says if I read a lot of books, I will grow big and strong. How many of you love to read books? Put your hand up if you love to read books.
The students certainly enjoyed the reading exercise.
When I read, it's like I'm in another world. Because if I'm reading a space book, it's like I'm out of space exploring the things that are in the book. And I enjoy reading a lot.
That's a wrap on today's show.